Hello, today I'm going to be teaching a lesson on warm and cool colors. And we're going to start out by drawing a hot dog and a cool cat. So I'm going to start off with my hot dog and I'm going to start off with a big circle for the hot dog's head. And then below that I'm going to draw two curved lines, one on each side. They can go all the way to the bottom of your paper if you'd like them to. That is my dog's body. I'm going to add his ears by drawing curved line on both sides. And then I'm going to draw like a happy face line right here until it touches my circle. I'm going to do that on the other side. Curve happy face line until it touches the circle. I'm going to add the puppy's face, so he needs some eyes. Two eyes. And he needs a nose. And I made an oval nose. And then I'm going to make his little stick right here. And he's really happy, so I'm going to make a curved line smile. And maybe he's got his tongue out. There's my puppy's face. And now I'm going to add his legs. So down here I'm going to put one line in a finger space, another line in a finger space. Then I'm going to put two finger spaces, a line, finger space, and another line. And there's the puppy's legs, and I can give him some claws by just making a few little lines inside of those. Now the puppy needs a tail, and I'm going to stick mine right over here. I'm going to draw a curved line, and it's going to go up, and then it's going to come all the way back down until it touches the puppy's body. Now that puppy, he needs a collar, so I'm going to draw a line going all the way across his body, and then I'm going to follow that line right underneath it. And then I'm going to add a little circle and a bigger one. And if I want to, I can give my dog a name. I'm going to call him Fido. F-I-D-O. There's my puppy, Fido. Now that I've got my puppy done, I'm going to move on to my kitty cat. So over here, I'm going to start just the same way I did with the puppy, but I'm going to draw a circle again. And the kitty cat needs a body. So I'm going to draw a curved line on the left and a curved line on the right, and they touched all the way down. Now for the kitty cat's ears, I'm going to draw two triangles, nice and big triangles so that kitty cat can hear. And I'm going to add his eyes. I'm going to make his eyes a little differently shaped than the puppy's. Mine are going to be big curves like that. And then I can color it in if I want to, like this. And I'm going to give my kitty cat a triangle nose. And then I'm going to add in the mouth. I go down and make a letter J. And then right next to it, I'll go down and make the opposite J. There's the kitty cat's face. And some whiskers. Don't forget the whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to add those kitty cat legs. So I'm going to make a line and a finger space and a line and two finger spaces and a line, one finger space and a line. And now I can make the kitty cat's claws inside there. And the kitty cat needs a tail. So over here, I'm going to draw a wavy line that touches. And I'm going to follow that wavy line, and then I'm going to curve it into, there's the kitty cat's tail. Now the kitty cat needs a collar too. So I'm going to kitty cat collar, curve line. Follow that curve line again. Right below it, I'll make a little circle. And below that little circle, I'm going to make a bigger circle. This kitty cat's going to be named Meow. M-E-O-W. There's my kitty cat. Meow. Now maybe you want to add some extra details like zigzag pattern on the collar, or maybe your kitty cat or your puppy has stripes or polka dots. I'm going to add some stripes on my kitty cat's tail, and maybe my puppy has some dots on it. It's a polka dot puppy. There we go. And now, remember, this is my hot dog and this is my cool cat. And we're learning about warm and cool colors. So warm colors are red, orange, and yellow, colors that will make us feel warm or happy. So I dipped in my water. I swipe on the side. Put that in. And then I tickle, tickle, tickle on the paint that I want. And I'm doing a hot dog so he can be warm. I'm not going to use red on my kitty cat because that's a cool cat. So I'm going to do some red, dip, swipe, swipe, tickle, tickle in the red. And I'm going to go ahead and paint my hot dog with the hot colors. I'm giving him red polka dots. I'm gonna keep on swish, swish, swipe, swipe. Now I'm gonna change colors and I'm gonna use some yellow. I'll add some yellow onto my puppy, paint right over him. I'm gonna keep on working until I've got a hot dog and a cool cat. Now you can see that I have painted my hot dog with the hot colors and my cool cat with the cool colors. And if I want to, now I can work on painting the background. Are they in the park? Are they outside? Are they inside? And that will be it for today. This is a lesson on warm and cool colors.